In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Microsoft Teams add-in in Outlook on the web. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to outlook.office.com. Once the page loads, sign in to your Outlook account if needed and wait until your inbox is fully visible. It's a good idea to let the page finish loading before moving on because some menu options may not appear right away if Outlook is still catching up. When you're inside your mailbox, look to the top left area of the screen and click New Mail. This opens the email composer, and that's important because the add-in options we need are available from within the message toolbar. If you don't see the compose window immediately, give it a second to open completely so all the controls are displayed properly. Next, move your attention to the ribbon menu in the compose window. On that toolbar, click the icon with 3 horizontal dots. This button opens a menu with additional actions and tools that aren't shown on the main toolbar by default. It's a common place to find extra settings in Outlook, so if you're ever looking for more options, this menu is usually worth checking. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Get Add-ins. Outlook will then open a new window or panel where you can browse and manage available add-ins. This is where you can extend Outlook's functionality with tools that connect to other Microsoft services, including Teams. In the Add-ins window, locate Microsoft Teams. You may be able to find it right away, or you might need to scroll a little depending on how the list is displayed. Once you see Microsoft Teams, click Add. This installs or enables the add-in for your Outlook web account, so you can use Teams-related features directly from Outlook. After you click Add, wait a moment for the process to complete. Once the add-in has been added, close the add-ins window. At that point, the setup is finished. If you don't see the Teams add-in immediately afterward, try refreshing Outlook or closing and reopening the Compose window. Sometimes the interface needs a moment to update. And that's it. You've successfully added the Microsoft Teams add-in in Outlook on the web, making it easier to connect email and collaboration tools in one place.